How I started business and managed them. 100% online courses, entrepreneurship and innovation. Build new capabilities now that could set your organization up for future growth. HBS Online offers a unique and highly engaging way to learn vital business concepts. Student stories request more information. Online course catalog. How can start business free result 24 by 7 for you. Discover us now. Easy access to information. Want to be an entrepreneur? Start your business in Dubai. Find start a business loan. What do I need to start my own business? Number 1, conduct market research. Market research will tell you if there's an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. Number 2, write your business plan. Number 3, fund your business. Number 4, pick your business location. Number 5, choose a business structure. Number 6, choose your business name. Number 7, register your business. Number 8, get federal and state tax IDs. Small business administration. What do I need to start my own business? How do I manage my starting business? How to manage a startup? 6 tips. Number 1, set project management standards. Number 2, set realistic client expectations. Number 3, create process documentation. Number 4, procure the right web-based tools. Number 5, identify opportunities to learn from setbacks. Number 6, remain open-minded to new ideas and change. How to manage a startup? 6 tips. Tech Republic. How do you manage and operate a business? How do you start your own business? How do you manage all your business? What are the most successful small business? What is the best way to manage employees in a startup? A step-by-step guide to starting a business. businessnewsdaily.com. Many startups fail because they run out of money before turning a profit. It's never a bad idea to overestimate the amount of startup capital you need. Number 9, tips for growing a successful business. Investopedia. The complete 12 steps guide to starting a business. How to start a business, a step by step guide. Forbes. The complete 35 step guide for entrepreneurs starting a business. List of things need to start a business. I want to start my own business but don't know what to do. How to start a business? How to start a small business as a teenager. How to start a business without money. How to start a business in 24-step quick sprout. 5 keys to managing your own business. Fortune builders. How to start a business, complete steps and resources free.